Well, grab your pencil, paper too. I've got a tale to share with you about a critter big and gray, with a trunk that likes to swing and sway. Oh, drawing elephants ain't no fuss. Just follow me, it's a doodle plus. From the trunk to the tail, big and grand, we'll sketch it out, oh ain't it grand. Start with the shape and oval round, that's where our pachyderm is found. Add a trunk like a winding road, curves and bends, a story to be told. Oh, drawing elephants ain't no fuss. Just follow me, it's a doodle plus. From the trunk to the tail, big and grand, we sketch it out, oh ain't it grand. Ears like sails, flapping high, in the African breeze, reaching the sky. Legs like tree trunks, strong and stout, in the doodle jungle, there's no doubt. Now the eyes, so big and wise, reflecting the savannah skies. A tusky smile from ear to ear, our doodle elephants drawing near. Oh, drawing elephants ain't no fuss. Just follow me, it's a doodle plus. From the trunk to the tail, big and grand, we sketch it out, oh ain't it grand. So grab your pencil, join the fun. In the world of doodles, we've just begun. With a little imagination and a stroke or two, you'll be drawing elephants just like I do.
Every day I draw something new, and I really want to share it with you. So don't forget hit subscribe and the bell. You won't want to miss, I promise I can tell. Scroll down, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think, let your thoughts flow. I read them all, yes I really do. So don't be shy, leave a comment or two. One click, that's all it takes to share with your friends on social media everywhere. Spread the love, show them this channel is great. They'll thank you later, you'll be their favorite. Hit that notification, turn it on, so you don't forget to catch my next drawing. Every like and every share means the world to me, shows that you care. With your support I'll keep creating new things, so subscribe, like and share with friends. Until next time, happy drawing my friend.